All eyes on the BJP's chief ministerial candidate Kiran Bedi. She started the day early. She went out for a walk, interacted with some of her voters. But apart from that, she went to her assembly constituency. Kiran Bedi is now on her way to filing her nomination papers. And look at the crowds at Kiran Bedi's rally. Let me now quickly cut across to Headlines Today's Managing Editor Rahul Kanwal, who joins us with the latest.
Chief Ministerial candidate Dr. Kiran Bedi. Dr. Bedi, you seem to have a very bemused expression. Are you enjoying this?
I live in the moment, always. I take the moment as it comes, by habit.
What's the message that you're trying to tell the people of Krishnanagar?
That I'm here, along with Dr. Harshvardhan, to continue to serve them.
How has it been so far for you? Being on the campaign trail, you're constantly being chased by media cameras, a lot of buzz around your campaign. How's it been for you?
So far I was watching on television, now I'm the actor.
How does it feel to be the actor in this political drama?
Actor to act with responsibility.
I also want to speak to a few of your colleagues and see what they are making of this campaign. Vijay Goyal ji, how is it to be trying to get Kiran Bedi elected as the state chief minister?
Kiran Bedi has administrative experience. She has an honest image. She knows Delhi very well. I think she can solve the problem of Delhi.
There are lots of problems in the BJP. Lots of people seem a little unhappy with her presence.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अंदर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है या समस्या है. जिस समय पार्टी एक निर्णय कर लेती है उस समय सब लोग एकजुटता से चुनाव लड़ते हैं.
What's your sense of the kind of challenge that Arvind Kejriwal is posing?
Arvind Kejriwal has already been exposed. उनका क्रेडिबिलिटी अब नहीं है और लोगों ने उनको देख लिया है कि 49 डेज की सरकार के अंदर उन्होंने कुछ किया नहीं और वो सरकार छोड़ के चले गए. इसलिए मैं नहीं समझता कि आम आदमी पार्टी या अरविंद केजरीवाल से किसी तरह का कोई चैलेंज है.
Mahesh Giri ji, a big show of strength here for the BJP. All the MPs out in big numbers to support Dr. Bedi.
बिल्कुल पूरे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता, पदाधिकारी, MPs, MLAs, they are very happy and they are very enthusiastic to have Kiran Bedi ji. You can see the कार्यकर्ता. आज हम लोग केवल इसलिए निकले हैं सिंपल तरीके से ताकि कोई रोड ब्लॉकेजेस ना हो. कल जो हंगामा हुआ, व्यवस्था चरमरा गई, इसलिए हमने सबको कहा है कि हम सिंपल तरीके से निकलेंगे, सिंपल वे में नॉमिनेशन करेंगे, कृष्णानगर में कोई अव्यवस्था ना हो.
पर अरविंद केजरीवाल के रोड शो में भी काफी भीड़ आई सर. बराबरी का मुकाबला है आपके साथ.
देखिए ऐसा है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी सड़क पे प्रदर्शन करते हैं, उनके अपने तरीके हैं. रोड ब्लॉक करना, लोगों को परेशान करना. हम लोग अनुशासन और संस्कार को लेकर चलते हैं. रास्ते पर आपको वो दिखाई देगा, कोई अव्यवस्था नहीं होगी.
I also want to speak to Dr. Harshvardhan. He is also with us on this. I also want to speak to Dr. Harshvardhan, key minister in the Modi cabinet, big face of Delhi. Last time you were the chief ministerial face.
Yes.
Now you're trying to help Dr. Bedi.
Oh yes. I think that's very satisfying and that's very happy moment for me. I'm already a cabinet minister in one of the most popular leaders of the country, Mr. Narendra Modi, and I think now we have got a chance to get our government in Delhi. So I'm so happy about it, and I'm particularly happy that my people in Krishnanagar, whom I served and who blessed me for over 20 years, now they will not have only an MLA, they will have a chief minister.
This is your constituency. Krishnanagar is your constituency.
Yes, the people have served me, people have blessed me for over 20 years. I've been practicing here for over 30 years. I've been living here for over 40 years. This place is like heart and soul for me, and people love me like anything, and I'm so happy to see them all loving Mrs. Kiran Bedi also in the same manner.
Dr. Bedi, there seem to be a lot of women who look upon you as a hope to try and fix women's security. A lot of women are rallying around you, especially.
I'm talking about how to fix it. I know how to fix it.
Because these women who are standing over there believe that you could help make Delhi safer.
We will fix it. We have a plan. It will be implemented as soon as possible.
Do you want to give a timeline? How many months, weeks do you think it will take for women to feel safe?
We'll put the system in place as Absolutely immediately. We'll put the system in place. You'll get to see it.
मैम ये बताएं, किरण बेदी के आने से आपको लगता है कि बीजेपी के कैंपेन में जोश आई है?
बिल्कुल जोश आई है. मैं इसलिए आज अपना जॉब भी छोड़ करके यहाँ पर इनके साथ हूँ. इनकी को पायलट बन के चलने को तैयार हूँ. जस्ट फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ वुमेन एंड वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट.
दिल्ली पुलिस तो है नहीं, फुल स्टेट है नहीं. आपको लगता है जो प्रॉमिस है वो फुलफिल हो पाएगा?
डेफिनेटली होगा. इरादे बुलंद है तो सब होगा. और फोकस इज क्लियर and we got to achieve it no matter what, and it will be done in the able leadership of this Kiran Bedi.
Let me show you around.
लोग गाड़ी के नीचे आ रहे हैं. इनको आगे से गाड़ी Comparisons would definitely be drawn on what we witnessed with Arvind Kejriwal yesterday when he held his roadshow to what we are witnessing now. In numbers, one can say that Arvind Kejriwal's roadshow was stronger, a stronger show of strength. As you can see, not many people there because that is where Kiran Bedi is, flanked by Dr. Harshvardhan. Not too many people actually in this particular roadshow. So numbers-wise, yes, Arvind Kejriwal has been stronger. But in terms of public perception, in terms of what we've picked on the ground, there is a sense in the voters that Kiran Bedi would possibly deliver as an upright chief minister that Delhi needs. Reporting with camera person Alok Das, Preeti Chaudhary in Krishnanagar for Headlines Today.